to write an SEO blog using AI. Now, most AI written blogs don't actually rank. Not because AI is bad, but because people use it wrong. Now, in this video, I will be showing you how to write SEO blogs using AI that actually rank on Google and bring in the traffic that you are going to be needing. So, by the end of this video, you are going to know how to find the correct keywords, the correct structure for your blog, use the AI the right way, and optimize your content for search engines. This is basically a complete system, not just generate and publish. So, why most AI blogs fail? Let's talk about that. Let's be honest, most AI blogs are pretty much garbage. They're generic, repetitive, and don't provide real value. And obviously, Google can tell that. The biggest mistake that people make is relying completely on AI without adding proper direction. AI is a tool. It needs the proper guidance. It won't do everything on its own. You do need to give it some specific ingredients to give you the correct recipe. Now, if your content doesn't solve a real problem or answer a proper question better than others, it will not rank. Simple as that. So, before you go ahead and create a blog, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be working on a blog on blogger.com. So you're simply going to go ahead and create your very own blog website. And you can create a blog on any other website like Wix or any other Shopify page. But I'm going to be using this because it's much simpler. So obviously, first of all, there's the name for your blog. Now, this is the most important step. So let's head on over to ChatGPT. You can use any other AI software if you want to. So let's say over here, I'm going to tell GPT what my blog actually is and what I need for my blog. All right. So obviously, find the right keywords for yourself. All right. Search topics and look at what people are already searching for. Focus on long tail keywords. These are easier to rank and more specific. For example, instead of SEO tips, go for something like how to write SEO blogs with AI for beginners. So let's say I'm going to ask GPT, I want to write a blog on coding in C++, but I don't know what to name it. Okay, you can go ahead and write, I want SEO based name and keywords that are going to rank me high in Google. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and write that in. Now it says, let's be real, C++ blog won't rank alone. You will need long tail keywords plus intent based titles. So the name and ideas, clickable and rankable, are C++ for beginners, the ultimate step-by-step guide, learn C++ from scratch. So the target is basically C++ for beginners, learn C++ fast, and a whole lot more. Now, obviously, you can go with high CTR ones or easier to rank ones. It obviously depends on you. So let's say I'm going to go with one of these high CTR ones, right? So let's go with this. Common C++ errors and how to fix them. Okay, we're going to copy that, and that is what we're titling our blog. Now, it says choose a URL for your blog. Now, obviously, the URL needs to be pretty simple as well. So let's go with write me a URL as well. Okay, so as you can see, it says this could be your URL, right? Now, obviously, it depends on you, but do make sure to keep it simple. So let's go with CPP fix. Okay, let's go with that. And if it is available, you're good to go. So once that is done, confirm your display name. So this is basically where you're going to add your own name. So I'm going to add that, and we're going to click on finish. Now, once we click on finish, what it does is it starts processing our blog and creates it. All right. Now that's one of the first steps done, choosing a good blog title and a good URL. Now, once that is done, you're going to use AI to generate keyword ideas for yourself. Write me keywords and ideas for the posts. All right. So we're simply going to add that in and hit enter. Now it says, let's map out a C++ blog content strategy. So the core pillar for your main authority post, let's go with C++ for beginners, the ultimate step-by-step guide. Now these are going to be the keywords that it gives you, right? Here they are. The post idea will be, full roadmap for beginners, etc., etc. Now let's go ahead and create a new post. Once we create a new post, we're going to give it the keyword title that we picked off of from GPT. We're going to add that in. And now for the content, we're going to be adding all of this. All right. It obviously depends on you. You can pretty much copy paste all of this, or you can go ahead and create a proper post for it. So let's say in this case, we have variables and data types in C++. The targeted keywords are this, and the notes are include examples for each type. So let's say I'm going to go ahead and create a post for this. We're going to add this right here. Obviously, this is going to be the main heading. So I'm going to go ahead and call this major heading. We're going to keep it bold, and let's give it the text color red. All right. Once that is done, you're going to be scrolling down, and this is where you're going to be including examples for the variables. So, just go ahead and write int. Let's go with something like char. Well, let's go with something pretty simple as bool. Okay, now once these things are in, do make sure that this is one of the paragraphed headings as well. We're going to go ahead and unbold it, keep it normal. Once this is done, what you're simply going to be doing is you're going to publish your post. Now you can go ahead and add links and different keywords or tags on it, but this is pretty much as valuable. Now, to actually get a good blog, you need to create a proper blog structure where you have introductions, main sections, subheadings, and conclusions. All right. So to get that proper tone, you can let AI know what you need. Okay. Let's say I want some specific sections. So I'm going to write, these are the sections I want for my post, my blog. And you're going to come down, you're going to add all of this, and I'm going to right now write on, let's go with loops in C++. Okay, we're going to go with this. Let's copy that. We're going to add it here, and once that is in, we're going to send it in. And once you send it in, as you can see, it starts writing the key points to include. It keeps going on. And that is how you're going to be writing proper posts. And the on-page SEO optimization will work well with this because it has already added proper keywords into it. And once you start creating posts, always ask yourself, would someone want to bookmark this? Would they stay and read all of it till the end? If not, do make sure to go ahead and improve it with more keywords, more spacing, structures, and all of that. So once your blog is ready, go ahead and publish it on your website, then submit it to Google for indexing. You can do that through the Google Search Console. This helps it get discovered much faster. You can also share it on socials and other forums to keep it working. So that is pretty much about it. That is how you can use AI to write SEO blog posts. Thank you for watching this video till the end, and I'll be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.